I'm Maki Arai. Yokohama is a port town with numerous fun and interesting spots for tourists. And one of those is Yokohama Marine Tower, which has become a landmark of the city. This time, we'll be bringing you the program from the newly renovated Yokohama Marine Tower.
Yokohama Marine Tower was constructed in 1961. Standing 106 meters tall, it serves as one of the city's main tourist attractions, offering a bird's-eye view from its observation deck. And until 2008, also functioned as a lighthouse.
The inside is very spacious. And with me now is Kotoko Kano, who will be showing me around.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I heard this was renovated and reopened recently. How's it changed? Yes. The concept of our renovation was nature and future. We wanted this to be a place of relaxation where people and things could come together and interact with nature. I'm looking forward to seeing the new Marine Tower. Yes. We're outside the tower and I've noticed lots of greenery. Yes, the wall is covered with plant life. The Yamashita area has lots of greenery and we wanted to blend into the neighborhood. This must be the terrace area. Yes. Nene Hyune Collection to your left is a shop selling various Hawaiian goods such as aloha shirts and jewelry. I see. Ah, and you can also have a barbecue here. Here? Yes, they're held seasonally. And to the right is a breakfast restaurant called Eggs and Things from Hawaii. Yes, you can have local food from Hawaii. We've come up to the second floor. The second floor is a space called the Travel Library and Community Lounge. It has a great design. The Yokohama City Guide Association provides visitors with information about the Yokohama area. And here we have books and magazines, as well as works by artists related to Yokohama. And displayed over there is artwork. You can also enjoy art here. Yes. And further inside is the Yokohama Marine Tower shop, selling foods and other goods themed on this facility. So a great place to pick up souvenirs. Yes, there are all kinds of souvenirs.
In the shop's Yokohama 001 section are souvenirs unique to Yokohama, selected in a city-sponsored contest held twice a year. Next, Maki heads to the Terrace Yokohama Marine Tower, a restaurant on the 4th floor.
It's a very bright and open space, a beautiful restaurant.
Thank you.
What kind of dishes do you serve?
Our menu pays homage to traditional Italian cuisine, and the dishes are in a retro style, served with a modern twist. We use local ingredients and offer unique Italian food, fusing modern and traditional styles.
It's Italian food, but the ingredients are from Kanagawa Prefecture?
Yes. We have dishes made with vegetables grown in Miura, Kanagawa Prefecture. This is banya kauda of Miura-grown vegetables.
Banya kauda. The colors are beautiful.
Our banya kauda contains ingredients that are grilled or steamed and prepared to bring out the best taste.
So, as you can see, the colors are beautiful, and the vegetable and sauce work really well together. It's delicious.
We're now going up to the observation deck. It's 100 meters above ground, and we'll get there in about a minute. The steel framework is impressive. I agree. And look that way. I can see the port. Yes. The ships look pretty. You can see Landmark Tower and the red brick warehouse too. I'm starting to feel a bit woozy. I feel scared all of a sudden. It can be a bit scary. We're here. We've arrived. It's beautiful. The 29th and 30th floors are the observation floors, which give you a 360-degree view. Wow, you get a bird's-eye view of Yokohama. Yes, in front, you can see the Hikawamaru ship, as well as the red brick warehouse, the Landmark Tower, and other commercial buildings in the Minato Mirai area, and Yamashita Park. The city looks beautiful even from above. On a clear day, you can even see Mount Fuji and the Boso Peninsula. Really? Please come and have a look during the day. What's this? This is called the Media Art Gallery, and it combines the scenery with visual effects to create a special atmosphere which you can enjoy at nighttime. There are 4 works, and the content is renewed every couple of months. So you can see different art every time you come here.
This space will look great in pictures. Cool, isn't it? And on this side. This time we brought you the program from the newly renovated Yokohama Marine Tower. Hope you enjoyed it.